this episode of Zipworks, we're making a fanny pack out of 5-ounce Dyneema. It features a 1-inch webbing strap and a size 5 zipper from Triple H. Links to all the materials in the description. As fanny packs go, this one is on the small side. It's 8.5 inches long, which tapers to 7.5 inches at the bottom by 2.5 inches wide and 4.5 inches tall. That works out to a volume of 1.5 liters, and mine ended up weighing 2.3 ounces. Let's get to work.